John Bean T7800, the leading-edge tire changer. T7800 maximizes productivity for run-flat and regular tires. Easy, fast, safe. Power Mount, the innovative leverless system that makes fast and easy working with all tires, even those with very soft or very stiff sidewalls. Thanks to the Pro Speed feature, the T7800 optimizes the torque and maximizes the rotation speed. Higher ergonomics, less operator fatigue, and quicker clamping, all thanks to the wheel lift, the central wireless clamping, and the power mount. High-performance tires can be mounted and demounted without damage. Regular tires can be mounted and demounted at the speed of a tabletop tire changer. T7800 complies with the German WDK standards that certify the procedure and the tools to prevent run-flat tires damage. Quick, safe, and effortless with all wheels. John Bean T7800, the leading-edge tire changer.